She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine here. It's now like a day later. I honestly forgot to vlog the whole day again. I've just been really busy, but I'm gonna start off this vlog again. I'll add in some clips from yesterday, but I'm so excited to show you guys what I got in the mail. I think I talked about this yesterday as well, but I finally got my mattress and pillow set. Well, it didn't take that long. I just ordered it really late. So yeah, this is the Lull mattress and pillow set. Before I start this, I want to thank Lull for sending me this mattress. That was really nice of them. Right now, I honestly don't have time to set it up because I am a small person and I do not know if I can set it up alone. So I'm gonna do some of my work on my sad little bed right now. It's literally a piece of cardboard, like a piece of cardboard and some blankets layered on. And then I'm gonna do some work, and then later on when I do have energy, I am gonna put my bed on here. And I'm so excited to actually have a bed. Lowell was nice enough to send me a full-size mattress and 2 pillows, so I'm really excited to have those. They're all like memory foam, really good quality. It's amazing. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go do some work on my laptop right now, and probably in the next clip you guys will see me setting up my mattress. I'm so excited. Hey guys, my boyfriend's here now, so he's gonna help me put my mattress on. I'm gonna show you what my current sleeping situation is. It's kind of sad. I had these 2 cardboard like sheets, and I had these 2 mats, and I put blankets over it, and honestly it was not that comfortable. So I'm gonna take this off now and put my new mattress on. It's in this box. I do not know how a full-size mattress could fit into this, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna put it on my bed now.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June.
Hey guys, so we just got the mattress out and we got it put on. We're gonna open the pillows now. Well, I'm gonna open the pillows now and probably put some bed sheets on it. I'm so excited. It literally looks so perfect. I'm in love. This is amazing. Hey guys, it's now 2 weeks later. I realized that I did not get any clips of my bed with like all the sheets on. I've been sleeping on this bed for 2 weeks already. I'm in love. It's amazing. Literally the best bed I've ever had. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now. This is it in its natural habitat. It literally looks so cozy. I love the mattress. I definitely recommend. I'll leave all the links down below along with the discount code if I have one. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I have one. So definitely check it out. Lull Mattress is also having a bunch of sales right now, so definitely check it out. I think the last time I checked it, it was $250 off your mattress, so that's amazing. Also, they ship really fast. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I got my mattress in less than a week. It came in a really nice box, as you guys saw. I live in an apartment, so it was really easy to bring up. I feel like if you guys got a normal mattress, it would be quite difficult to fit it in the elevator, but this one was compact. It was amazing, and I definitely recommend this. Also, I forgot to mention Lull actually has free shipping, and that's awesome because shipping is normally really expensive for mattresses. They also have a 100-day free trial and free returns, so if the mattress for some reason does not work for you, you can return it. I think it's amazing. Honestly, it changed the way I sleep. I used to have a lot of trouble sleeping, but ever since I got this mattress, I've been sleeping like a baby. I love it. And yeah, I just want to say that I hope you guys like this part of the video. Thank you Lull again for sponsoring this video and sending me this mattress. It's literally amazing. I'm in love, and I literally am gonna sleep on this forever. I love it. Okay guys, now let's get back to the vlog. Hey guys, I'm now doing some work. I'm unboxing some packages right now that I have to film, and I'm probably gonna film for the first time in my new apartment. I'm so excited about it. Actually, I did film already in this apartment. I filmed a apartment haul of things I got for my apartment, but this is my first time filming like a clothing haul. I'm doing like an overlay right now of everything I got to make it like a little Instagram story. I do this pretty often so I could promote my like discount codes and all that stuff for you guys. This is so cool. This is gonna be a Yes Style haul. They sent me some stuff to show to you guys, so I'm really excited about it. If you guys want to watch that video, it'll probably be up before this video, so I'll link it down below. I'm just gonna unbox everything now. Normally I unbox everything, then I categorize it into sections, and I start filming the try on parts. Honestly, filming videos take pretty long. I spent like an hour to 2 hours filming try on parts, and filming an actual video is another like an hour, and then editing the video is a whole other process. So yeah, if you guys want to see a full like YouTube workday in my life, definitely let me know. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work today. I have to package items for Depop because I'm gonna go ship them out tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. I'll probably just show you guys like a time lapse. If you guys want me to go fully into like what I do for my job, definitely let me know in the comments and I'll totally do that. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox everything now, or unbag everything, and you guys will probably see that in a time lapse. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jasmine here. It's now like an hour or so later. I'm just doing some work right now. I think I showed you guys me doing some of my packaging work for Depop. I just cut up a bunch of labels, and later tonight I'm gonna package all the items that I sold. So yeah, right now I'm on my laptop. I was just replying to some emails, and now I'm just like picking out clothing for brands that I'm working with. I have to pick out stuff from Shein, Pretty Little Thing, and a couple other brands as well. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I've just been very stressed out because I have a lot of things to do and I don't have time to do a lot of things. Anyways, I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm just chilling. As I said, I'm just chilling, picking out clothing right now, and then my boyfriend's gonna come over probably like in 20 minutes or so. I don't see my boyfriend too often. I see him like twice a week. So I feel like that's a healthy amount of time to see your significant other. Some people see their significant other every day, and that's fine. But for my boyfriend and I, we're both very busy. So we only see each other like once or twice a week, maybe 3 times. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. You guys are probably gonna see us making dinner. I think we're gonna make pasta. He's gonna help me put my bed on my bed frame. You guys probably already saw that because I'm gonna put that clip in the beginning of this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill right now. I just want to update you guys a little bit. I'm gonna go online, do some computer work, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen right now because I decided that I want to make some Thai tea. So I'm gonna do that right now and show you guys how I make my Thai tea. Give me 1 second, I need to get some water. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Thai tea. It's very simple. It's not like amazing, like the taste is not like crazy good, but it's good for what you pay for because I buy these little packets. My mom actually bought this for me, so I don't know exactly how much it is, but I know it's cheap, and it's cheaper than getting Thai tea at like a boba place. I just filled the cup with water, and then I microwaved this cup for like 45 seconds. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm back. Honestly, I feel like you could put it for 30 seconds if you want, because I put it for 45 and it started bubbling, and normally I don't wait until it does that. I'm just gonna put this little packet of Thai tea in. So let's do that. Then I'm gonna get my spoon and I'm gonna mix it up. Mix this all up. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the fridge right now and then get my boyfriend, and then I'll show you guys how to finish up the Thai tea. I'm gonna get this and put it in the fridge because I already mixed it up with the hot water. Hey guys, it's now a couple hours later. I forgot to vlog again, but now I'm packaging items for Depop. I just spent the last hour organizing everything that I need, and everything is like on my carpet right now. I have a brand new carpet, so I decided to lay out everything on the floor because there's a lot of stuff I need to package. I have my little packaging station over here. This is my first time like packaging items in this apartment, so I'm really excited about my little station. I used to package all of my items on my like bed and stuff, and it was honestly really difficult and it was very hard to organize, but now I have this like little system. I have my shipping labels, I have some tapes, I have my thank you stickers, and I have a bunch of goodie bags and goodies that I always give away to my people that buy from my Depop. So if you spend a lot of money, you get like packs of scrunchies. These are from Urban Outfitters, and I have regular scrunchies that I give to everyone. I also have some jewelry that I randomly give out to people as well. So yeah, I have that and I'm really excited about it. Right now I'm just gonna organize and start packaging items. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, maybe, but this is everything I sold, and these are just like little bundles, single items and all that stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jasmine here. First off, before I start this clip, I want to apologize for this vlog because I know it's been really messy and kind of like very all over the place. I'm sorry, I just been really busy for the past like few days, so I wasn't able to vlog consistently, but hopefully you guys like this vlog regardless. Last night I finished packaging all my Depop orders. They're all over here. There's so many. It's just a bunch of bags. Thank you to everyone that ordered from my Depop. I'm so sorry the wait was long because during my moving process I wasn't able to ship out, but now I finally have the time to package all your items, and I will be dropping them off at the post office today. And I added some little gifts in each item. I think some of them I forgot to add gifts. Most of them I added some little gifts for you guys. I'm probably gonna start doing that, especially for the holiday season. I'm gonna try to order a bunch of accessories and stuff online to give away to you guys. So yeah, right now, I just finished filming a haul, and it was my first haul filming in this apartment. And it was like a Yes Style haul, as I said. I was unboxing my Yes Style stuff. This is my current filming setup. I don't know how I like it yet. I think it's really cute. I'm gonna try to keep the background really simple because I don't want it to be too messy, but hopefully it looks nice. I'm just gonna probably chill right now, go on my laptop. I think my brother's gonna come over to my apartment. My little brother, he's like 5. I'm probably gonna chill. And then after that, I'm probably gonna go post office and organize some stuff. I have a lot of things that I need to do. I still need to take some Depop pictures for clothing that I haven't taken pictures of yet, because in the moving process I did clean out my closet and I did get rid of a bunch of clothing, so I need to take pictures for that. And yeah, probably gonna do some cleaning in this apartment. I'm thinking of making some avocado toast right now. I'm not sure. I might. I don't know how to use my toaster oven yet, so hopefully I figure that out. But yeah, I just want to update you guys a little bit. Apologize for the vlog being so messy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, I'm chilling at my apartment right now and my little brother's here and he's watching my recent vlog that he was in. Do you want to read the comment what they said about you, Jaden?
Yeah.
He was reading the comments and showing me. Also, I'm editing a video, but...
Say, oh my god, your brother is so cute.
You're so cute. Jaden, say hi.
Hi.
You have a lot of people that like to watch you because they think you're so cute.
Okay, but why they're still giving me a comment?
Oh, they're giving you comments? Tell them, how old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old?
Yeah.
Wow, you can read. He reads your comments, guys. Like, he watches my videos that he's in. Well, he watches all my videos. He loves reading the comments that you guys say to him. So if you guys have any comments about him in this video, please comment down below. He's so happy. Look at him, he's so happy.
My comment is cool.
Yeah, they think you're so cool. Hey guys, what's up? I'm in my kitchen now. It's a couple hours later. I didn't vlog that much again. I was just honestly really busy. I wasn't home. It was my little brother's birthday, so we were celebrating it at my dad's house. And now I'm just gonna make my dinner and show you guys and probably end off this vlog for dinner. I'm having my favorite noodles. These are so good. I love eating these. They're amazing. So I'm about to eat them. I love them. So yeah, I'm gonna boil some water right now and make these. I'll probably show you guys how I make them. I'm gonna add some kimaris in them and bacon. So that's definitely gonna taste good. I don't have a bowl. Like, I have a bowl, but this is like the biggest like bowl I have. And I don't know if it's gonna fit everything. So I might put everything in this bowl I got from IKEA. This is huge and it's a metal bowl. So I don't know if it's gonna make my food taste funny, but hopefully it's good because I'm gonna put all my food in this and eat it on my bed because I don't have a couch yet, and I'm tired of eating on the floor, not gonna lie. So I really want a big bowl so I don't make a mess. I'm gonna lay like a blanket down so I don't make a mess on my white sheets. But yeah, I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna put noodles in here. I'm gonna put some... Oh, I just realized I can't microwave this. Maybe I will use this plate. I'm gonna use this plate. It's like not the best because I like bowl plates better, but it's maybe like best option right now because I don't want to make a mess. And the other plate was too small, so I'm gonna use this. I will probably get more plates soon because I needed more like bowl plates, you know? I need a bigger bowl because this thing is not cutting it. Hey guys, so I just finished cooking the food. Honestly, I didn't realize how messy it was gonna be, so I decided I'm just gonna sit on the floor. I have my little box situation here, my little platter, and this is what I'm eating. If you guys don't know what this is like the samyang carbonara. This is like the spicy noodles that everyone eats, and I have bacon on it, and I have some kimaris. So yeah, this is what I'm eating. It is not everyone's cup of tea, but I love eating it. It's so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this now and probably end off this vlog. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up and let me know. Again, I'm so sorry this vlog was so all over the place. This was probably one of my most messiest vlogs, but I swear my next vlog won't be this messy. If you guys want to see just my life and what I'm doing living in my new apartment, I'm gonna try to vlog a lot. I'm probably gonna do a lot of like what I eat in a day, outfit videos, and just like vlogging my life and what I do, just my work days and all that. So yeah, if you guys want to watch that, please subscribe, thumbs up this video, and yeah, I'm gonna end off this video now and eat my dinner. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.